Hi, today's video is about exploring the possibility that inspiration might often lie in unexpected places. Now, I've often feel like I've made up my mind what I'm going to find inspiring and what I'm not going to find inspiring. So it's almost like I've prejudged what will be inspiring and what won't be inspiring. And I think what I've learned over the years is often the things I think won't be inspiring often do hold some inspiration. So just a couple of examples. About 25 years ago, I did go to Las Vegas on a Greyhound trip across America, and I wanted to go there and hate it so that I'd never have to go back there. And I actually quite enjoyed it when I got there. I enjoyed even the tackiness of it. I went to see a Tom Jones concert. I went to the breakfast that you get in Las Vegas, and I ended up quite liking it. And fast forward a number of years, and I actually ended up running a series of seminars or co-presenting a series of seminars in Las Vegas and going to see Cirque du Soleil shows. I was able to say I was live in Las Vegas. It was amazing, and I never would have thought that I would have found Las Vegas inspiring. Another example is about 12 years ago, on one of my trips to South Africa, I was working with a guy called Richard, who was based in Johannesburg. And just before I went down on one of my trips there, he said to me, I want to take you to meet a friend of mine, and he lives in Soweto. And part of me was going, why on earth would I want to go to Soweto? I had preconceptions about what it was going to be like. I felt like my personal safety might be compromised. All sorts of fears went through my mind. But then Richard took me to Soweto and introduced me to his friend Sid, who, even under apartheid, had done amazing things in Soweto and built a conference centre and a green space. And I was just so inspired by what Sid had done. And as we parted, I realised that, Richard under apartheid was a soldier, and Sid, they were looking at each other through the barrel, across the barrel of a gun. And it just kind of inspired me to think that these guys were now building a nation together. So what I've learned over the years is, don't prejudge what you're going to find inspiring. If you're open to it, I think you'll find inspiration in places you often never thought to look.